I stared at the empty office, the echo of my partner's betrayal still fresh in my mind, knowing I had to rebuild from nothing. With every ounce of resolve, I poured my energy into revitalizing my company, fueled by the pain of deceit. Late nights turned into early mornings, and every setback became a lesson in resilience. I reached out to old clients, rebuilt trust, and forged new relationships based on integrity. Slowly, my efforts bore fruit, and the company began to thrive once more. Through this journey, I discovered that true success is grounded in unwavering perseverance and honesty. Now, standing at the helm of a flourishing business, I realized that the foundation of integrity not only restored my company, but also fortified